I'm white. I'm black. I'm yellow. I'm red.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Aaliyah Plays YouTube channel, and as you can see, we are playing Bloxburg once again, because if you've read my community posts, which I hope you all have, I said I was going to do another house tour, because I kind of updated our house a bit. So, as you can see, nothing has really changed out here. Just got new plants. We opened this. We obviously got new doors and everything. More new plants. We got a piano and all that. We got a fountain. Because, yeah, nothing in the kitchen's pretty much changed. I mean, if you want to watch the full house tour, you can go down to the video. Link is in the description. So, but I want to show you something really cool before we go outside. So, hold on, we'll just turn on the light. Seems like a normal living room, right? Normal living room, but look, open. What's in here? Ta-da! Little ghost area. Got a Halloween bit. And then, right, so we got these. I'm sorry, but these are the only comfort you're gonna get. And even got some food. We got this, and we got a lovely skeleton, a spider, some ghosts, then a pumpkin. And then if you go in here, this is locked. We got some festive stuff because yeah, it's cool. Just gotta light them. Hold on, right. Oh, look at the noise that all makes. That is, oh my god. Right, go turn that down. Just close that, and then we go. Oh, turn it off. Then we go back up. Oh. Why can't I get up? Oh my god. Right. Right, I'm up. Thank god. Right, if we go outside. Oh, obviously, the back garden's got smaller. Look up there. I don't know what happened there. Something, I guess. But then the pool's pretty not changed. It's not really changed that much, innit? Then we got like a little sandbox here. Just saying, it was in the chat. Then obviously you know what that is, like a balcony or something. With no roof. Just got a ladder. Then I kinda redid the bathroom. So we got some windows in here, and we got that. Right, we're gonna don't know what you're on. Don't know why the lights from there is in there. And then this is my room. I did it so it's not blue. And I think I did a really good job in my room, because obviously it's all pink and my favourite colour is pink. So yeah, pastel pink. Like any type of pink. Except from hot pink. I don't know why. So up here, right. Oh, don't know what I did there. We have a little kids room. Still I need to redo this. Right, so obviously we have this, and I removed the poster because why not? We got that, yep, and then we go up here. There's no ladder up here, but ta-da! Got a little cool space here, but I don't know. Can I get back up? Yes I can, slightly. So up here we still have the little children's bed and all that. I redid it because why not? Oh, I don't want to buy you, right? No, I don't want to buy Bloxburg. Leave me alone, please. Right, and then we did the beds, because why not? Still need to add proper pillows under there. Then ladder fixed slightly. So yeah. I don't know what to do now. I guess this is kind of it for the video. Thanks for watching, and bye.
Los pingüinos me la van a mascar. Kawasaki, Kago, Crico y Stripper.